Hello Toastie fans. So you open your fridge door on Monday and what's staring you straight in the face but leftover roast chicken. So what you're going to do with it? Well, simple, you're going to make this delicious roast chicken and spinach toastie. Start off by grilling your bread. Grill it on one side, just put it under there, and while that's cooking we'll just get our ingredients together and get ready. So here we've got some leftover roast chicken, good helping of spinach and some cheddar cheese. You could also use some Gouda or red Leicester. Once your bread's done on one side, then just flip it over. And then add the cheese to it. Stick that back under the grill for a bit. And then you're waiting till it's all nicely bubbling with a little bit of colour on it as well. So you see it there bubbling nicely. Ooh, lovely. So pull that out. And now we assemble our sandwich. So start adding the chicken, push it down into that cheese so it's all nicely embedded there. Get plenty on, use up that roast chicken. You know it's just going to sit in that fridge for ages. Don't be afraid of mixing the white and the dark meat either. Really get some good flavours out of it. And now top it with the spinach. Lay on as much as you can. It's so good for you, this stuff. Full of vitamins and iron. Really will help set you up for the week. Offset some of that delicious cheese. And then once we've got that piled high, a little bit of dressing. So I'm just doing some simple barbecue sauce, followed by a little bit of mayonnaise. You could opt for some sweet chili sauce. That's another good one. Some salad cream, maybe even some brown sauce. Yeah, choice is yours. Feel free to comment below if you've got a few more suggestions. Now close that up, my favourite part, push it down and cut it up and enjoy that delicious roast chicken and spinach toasted sandwich. Very easy, great way of using up the leftovers, really tasty, full of goodness from that spinach, something to really enjoy and set you up for the day. If you've got any other ideas for using up leftover chicken, let us know in the comments. Especially if they're toasty ideas, and I'll give them a go. Also, what else would you add? What sauce would you add to this sandwich? Let us know. So be sure to like this video and subscribe. Until next time, see you guys. Bye.